Hi everyone, it's Melissa. I'm gonna show you how to make a natural bug repellent using Young Living essential oils. I'm using an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Start with 20 drops of Citronella essential oil. I like that it smells clean and citrusy without that chemical smell we usually get with Citronella products. Plus, of course, it's a natural bug repellent. Add 20 drops of lemongrass. By the way, we're gonna use 20 drops of each of these oils in this recipe. Lemongrass has a lot of benefits that I suggest you look up. In this case, I like the skin benefits. Geranium has been known for its antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties. Basically, it's very good for your skin. It even has an astringent effect that allows skin tissues to tighten and contract. Purification oil is a blend of citronella, rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle. One thing I love about Young Living is that they offer a lot of blended oils for specific purposes. This blend is great for disinfecting and cleaning cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. Now we add lavender. If you're like me, I was not a big fan of lavender scented products until I used the real thing. This has honestly become one of my most used oils. In fact, it's called the Swiss Army knife of essential oils because of its many uses. Finally, top it off with witch hazel. I like Thayer's unscented and alcohol-free. That's it! Shake it up, take it outside, to your patio, backyard barbecues with a safe and natural bug repellent for you and your family.